Hello everyone, welcome to Helen's Kitchen. My name is Helen of Nikky-H TV. I'm here to talk to you about this so briefly. Okay, now I want to prepare prepared beef. The beef is already on fire on the burner. Now I want to tell you that if you don't have enough money to buy this green bell pepper, you can improvise by asking the sellers of this red pepper that I'm going to use now to add the unripe pepper for you. Okay, this is part of this, but this one is unripe. It's going to add a lot of flavor. The flavor is almost like the flavor of this green bell pepper. Okay, if you use this, if you add it to your red bell peppers, to your red pepper, and you prepare your ayaraya, your local food, local food like otipiri, or what we call ayarayoka and ayarayaji, and so on and so forth. You will like you will like it. It adds so much good flavor, just like this one does to your food. So I'm going to use it to prepare my sauce for my peppered beef. Okay, that's it. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Helen's Food, on YouTube, and then Nikky-H TV. My name is Helen. Thank you. Bye.